Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Upload saves to cloud or copy to a USB drive and deactivate or sign out of your PSN account. Once done, attach a controller with a USB cable and ensure the PS5 is on stable AC power to avoid interruptions. Make a clear choice now between a standard factory reset, which wipes settings and user data, and a full system reinstall that also replaces the operating system, because that determines whether you'll need a USB stick and a PC next. From the home screen, go to Settings, then System, followed by System Software and Reset options. Select Reset Your Console and follow the confirmation prompts. You must acknowledge that all user accounts, games, and settings will be erased. This is irreversible on the console itself. If the PS5 won't boot normally, restart into safe mode by holding the power button until a second beep, connect the controller, and choose Reset from safe mode. Then monitor the progress bar and keep power uninterrupted until completion. After the reset finishes, complete the initial setup steps. Select language, connect to your network, sign into PSN, and install any system updates. Once signed in, restore saves from the cloud or USB and re-download your games and apps from your library. Make sure your external storage is recognized before downloading large titles. If the console still fails to boot or shows system software errors, the key troubleshooting tip is to reinstall the system software from safe mode using a FAT32.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.